Hello everyone, this is Pranav Ambekar and today we are going to see how to launch an AWS EC2 instance using Terraform. So first go to your AWS account, click on EC2, let's go to instances and launch an instance. So AWS has updated the interface, let's give it a name as server Terraform. We'll be using Amazon Linux 2 AMI, that is free tier eligible. We'll choose instance type as T2 micro. This is also free tier eligible. And let's create a new key pair. Let's give the name as Terraform server key pair. Create the key pair. So the PAM key has been downloaded and launch instance. So our server is running now. Now let's connect to this instance. Click on connect. First we need to give the permission. Copy this command chmod 400 and paste it here. Copy this command to connect to your instance. Are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. So we have successfully connected to our AWS EC2 instance. Let's become a root user. Now in order to launch AWS EC2 instance using Terraform, you need to install Terraform first on this instance. For that, go on Terraform downloads and here we have launched Linux machine. So copy this link AMD 64. wget, paste it. It has downloaded the zip file. Now you need to unzip it. For that the command is unzip. Now you can see the binary file is present here. Now we need to move this file to the path user local bin and the command will be yumv terraform. So yeah, we have successfully moved the file. Now let me create a directory in home. EC2 Terraform. Let's move into that. And before moving further, let us check the version of the Terraform. So this is the version of the Terraform which we have installed. Now we need to create a Terraform file with the extension .tf in order to launch EC2 instance. For that we'll create a file and let's keep the name of the file as ec2.tf. Here we need to use this code in order to launch EC2 instance. Let me tell you what is this. First we need to mention provider, that is AWS. You need to mention the access key, you need to mention the secret key and also the region. Currently we are using Singapore region, that is AP Southeast 1. So our region is AP Southeast 1. This is resource, this is the block name. AWS instance is the resource type and Terraform is the resource name. First you need to mention AMI. So let's go to instances. Now let us check what was the AMI ID of the instance which we have just created. Scroll down and here you will get the AMI ID. Copy this and paste it here. Next you need to mention instance type and again we'll be using instance type as T2 micro. So copy this code and paste it here. Let us check our file has been created or not and the command will be cat ec2.tf. So yes, our file has been created. Now in order to launch the EC2 instance using Terraform, you need to use the first command, that is terraform init. So generally this command initializes the backend and it also installs all the required plugins. You can see Terraform has been successfully initialized. The second command which you need to use is terraform validate. As you can see, success, the configuration is valid. This command checks whether your configuration is valid or not. Now let us use the command terraform plan. So by using terraform plan command, you get to know that what actions Terraform will perform. So you can see here plus means it will be creating this resources. AWS instance will be launched. Now in order to deploy this, you need to use the final command, that is terraform apply. The command that you use to actually launch an EC2 instance using Terraform. So now let's use the command terraform apply. It will ask your approval first. Do you want to perform this action? Enter a value and as you can see, for now we have one EC2 instance running, that is server Terraform. And now let us see whether we can launch this instance using Terraform or not. AWS instance Terraform creating, apply complete, resources, 1 added, 0 changed and 0 destroyed. Now let us check whether it has actually created an EC2 instance or not. So as you can see, the new EC2 instance has been created successfully. Now Let me quickly recap what are the things which we have learned in this session. First, we have learned how to connect to an EC2 instance. We have learned how to install the Terraform. And later we have seen what are the things which we need to launch an instance. That is AMI instance type, access key and secret key. Access key and secret key are different for each AWS account. And later we have used Terraform workflow, that is Terraform init, Terraform validate to check whether the configuration is valid or not. Then we have used Terraform plan, that will give us a execution plan, what actions Terraform is going to perform. And lastly, we have used Terraform apply, that is actually going to launch your EC2 instance on AWS using Terraform. I hope you enjoyed watching this session and now you know how to launch an AWS EC2 instance using Terraform. Thank you so much for watching the video. Pranav Ambega signing off.